And last but not the least, today we have amongst us a very special lady. Her name is Mrs. Shabri Mehta, and she's the wife of the late squadron leader Vinu Mehta, and also the owner of VM Service Station, which is a pioneer Indian oil retail outlet at the Lucknow Cant area. She was rewarded this retail outlet after the sad demise of her husband, who was an ace fighter pilot in Indian Air Force, in a fatal air crash while flying the Sea Harrier in 1988. Please put your hands together for a huge round of applause for Mrs. Shabri Mehta. We would like to honor ma'am by calling upon the stage Assistant Professor Neha Singh to do the honors.
सो अब मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी हमारे नेक्स्ट गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मिसेस साबरी मेहता मैम के बारे में. शी इज़ द वाइफ ऑफ लेट मिस्टर वीनू मेहता. She is the owner of Service Station, a pioneer Indian oil retail outlet in Lucknow Cant area. She was awarded this retail outlet after the sad demise of her husband, who was an ace fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force in a fatal car crash while flying Sea Harrier in 1988. So, ma'am, will you share some words with us? Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Bansal for giving this lovely opportunity for a warm audience like you all. And it has been a tremendous pleasure for me to attend this function. I would just like to say a few words, and that is that we all are empowered with a lot of strength, which needs to be tapped. And we don't know our potential, still we face difficulties in our life. So each one, each girl, each boy, I would pray and I would ask you all to tap and have confidence in dealing in life, because there are a lot of challenges ahead and one doesn't know what is coming your way. So accept, and with God's grace, we all will handle it with full strength. That's what I want to say, as I have dealt with my life, bringing up my 2 daughters who were just 4 and 6 years old when I lost my husband. And and it's been 30 years now that I have been looking after my petrol pump, which is one of the pioneer in Indian oil, and I'm very proud to say that I have won a lot of awards over this period of time. And it has needed a lot of determination and lot of challenges which I have faced. And here we have Madhu, my dear friend, where we also join in to do the little work of the NGO, where I put in a little wee bit and like to help the society in my own way. Thank you so much for a lovely, lovely audience like you. Thank you.
Now I would like to request Ms. Alvi Pandey, sir. I have heard the name is a little bit, so sorry, sir. I would request you to please come on the stage to give the token of memento to Mrs. Sabri Mehta, ma'am.